Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today I'm just making a simple rice, steamed rice. I'm starting with basmati rice. Basmati is a Hindi word that means fragrant. And this is known as the king of rice. It's also known as popcorn rice because it does have a buttery aroma to it. It's a long grain rice, and the grains are so long that you do have to be careful about how you handle it, meaning that you just don't want to get in there and scrub and potentially break these kernels. So what I've done here is I pour the rice in here. This is 1 cup of rice. I rinse it under water with a sprayer until the water runs clear, and then let it dry. I have a pan that's on a medium-high heat, and I'm just going to put some fat in the bottom and add the rice. And what I'm doing is I just want to toast this rice. It just takes a couple of minutes, but it makes such a difference. Life is too short to eat humdrum food. It's these little steps that you do that make things stellar rather than just good. So why not take a minute to do this? Okay, well, we're there. If you can see this, I hope you can, some of these kernels are whiter and some are golden in color. That's because the bottom layer has been toasted and it smells nutty. So we're there. This was 1 cup of rice. I have 2 cups of chicken stock because this is going into a chicken dish. You can use water, you can use vegetable stock or whatever you want. I just thought this would be a nice flavor. I'm going to turn this to low and add a good pinch of salt, because that's the only seasoning salt-wise that this gets. And it's best to cook rice in a salted water. It makes a big difference if you add it now or if you add it later. So this is only going to take about 10 minutes. I put the lid on, a tight-fitting lid, turn the heat to low, and you just let it sit. Don't touch it, you have to walk away. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. And all that I do from this point is I turn the heat off. This is what the rice looks like after 10 minutes. I just take a fork, stir it up. It's still a little wet at the bottom. That's to be expected. And then after you fluff it, you just put the lid back on and leave this for another 5 minutes off heat. And the rice will absorb the rest of that water and be fluffy and lovely and delicious. And I'll see you when that happens. Well, 5 minutes is up, so this is ready to roll. Let's see how it looks. It's amazing. It's perfect. The rice has taken up all of that liquid that was at the bottom earlier. I'm just going to put it into a bowl so that you can see at least some of this. Very fluffy. It's fully cooked. This is not al dente at all. It's been flavored with the chicken stock and also flavored by giving it the nuttiness of having toasted it. This is a really delicious method of making your rice, and I really hope you try this. If you do, let me know. NinaInTheKitchen.net for the recipe, and right here, please follow me on YouTube by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.